Good morning. Storm Amy arrives today.
Storm Amy.
Now this is Storm Amy.
Storm Amy.
Power cuts, travel disruption. So just be ahead of the game if you can to get things prepared today before the storm system really packs in overnight.
Have you seen the river? It's bursting its banks. Like very much doubt we've got much more time before our pigs are underwater. So game plan today is we'll make pens in here and get the piglets and the pigs and the boar in, which is going to be fun. You wait to see this next scene. But we're just roughing it up with pallets just now. We'll make makeshift pens.
We're going to need to get the animals inside. The weather's just not letting up. We do have some gates, but I don't have enough to make pens that are going to be robust enough to keep these pigs in. So we're going to need to use pallets. Fortunately, I've got pallets dotted all around the place that I've used over the years for sheep pens and various other moves that I've had.
You're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you maybe ought to know this ain't my first rodeo.
Whilst I was in Tesco's this morning, I bumped into Gavin Graham. So we had a coffee together whilst I shared my woes of what was happening with this storm, and he offered to come out and help. So he's been here most of the morning making pens and helping get these pigs in.
You just love this weather, Cassie.
Trying to get along so I can be with you, babe.
If nothing else, the wood's getting used. I've been hoarding it for years.
Well, you might think you drive me insane. I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think that maybe you should know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know that some things you can't take back, and some things you just got to let go. Well, I ain't got time to change your mind, 'cause the bus is a-humming. Are you staying? Are you coming? Come on, baby.
You know, some may say this is overkill, the level of bolting down and screwing that we're doing to these pens, but I have to say, if we don't fix these bloody pigs will wreck it. They love a scratch. They are in it, they'll chew the wood, scratch it, push it over. So it needs to be braced and fixed to the ground. I am not coming back in a month's time and having to chase these out and sort it all again. And then once the mothers go out and the piglets start to grow, they'll be rubbing against it. So we've got to make this good and we've got to do it right now.
Some things you just got to let go. Well, there's some things you can't take back. Lord, some things you just got to let go.
Even though we put all these fixings in, screwed it to death, I'm still not happy with it. I think we need to brace it more. So we'll put some bracing across the tops, fix it to the sides so it gives more rigidity to the whole structure. Now it's all done, the last job is fill these pens with straw, make a lovely cosy bed for this little piglets and their mothers to come inside.
pig. Good pig.
There is absolutely not a hope in hell that us little piglets are going to go from this pen in the field to the shed without absolute carnage. I do not have the time today to be messing around with any other way than pick them up, get them in this trailer. Now it's Renee's turn to get in the shed. She'll come with a bucket of feed, I'm sure. Gav's gonna battle with the weather just to coax this pig in the shed, but they know where to go and they should go in there pretty easy. And now it's Edith's turn. What a runaround we're getting with her. She'll go anywhere bar where we want her to go. Now she's in. Good old Edith. Her little piglet, or not so little piglet, that you may have seen a few episodes back.
Mama? Piglets. Escape artists.
She was gonna leave, so I stopped going down on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked, I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, I'm domesticated. But when I got home, she set me down.
So a bit earlier than I had hoped, but we're now going to have to start feeding our cattle with the silage and hay that we made this year. Fortunately, I had a good 25-30 bales left from last year, which we're going to start using just now. So I'm going to start getting them out, get the wrap off them, get them in the feed rings. I'll start supplementing the cattle because obviously the grass is going back now. See what the cattle think. If they're going to enjoy this 2-year-old silage that I'm giving them.
Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home all damn day.
Right, we'll go down to the farm. Oh. Come on, pigs. Where's Wilbur? Hey, Wilbur! Come here, you. Oh. Oh. I'll keep him happy till we muck his pen out. We've hoarded all the blocks that we've had from different buildings that we've had around here things we've knocked down, things that have been left from doing up houses and building half the things we've got, the farm shop, etc. There's no point in me wasting it, so we've kept it and now it'll work to allow us to put a hard stand in for the shed we're doing. Problem we've got is when we're tracking back and forth, it makes a hell of a mess of the place, and we try and keep it tidy. So the boys, not the best job, but they're going around at the back of us, raking everything up. The less mud we have lying around, the less it gets squashed into the stones.
Good morning, chef. There's some yellow gorse.
Perfect.
Any chance you could do your magic? Oh, look. Bloody hell. Got a stray. Normally it's looking like this. It's too hard. We bruise it. So we were having deliveries and somebody's caught my gate. Not really fit for purpose anymore. I reckon I can make a door out of this gate. I'll push a bale down for yous.